Hello guys, now we are arriving to the second factory that Mr. Chen was talking before at our meeting in his office. So let's have a look and see what do they have. Welcome back to Simple Portal. So these are the machines that are used to do these products. Yeah. It can be tall, small, it can be wide and thin, right? 可以大小都可以，
对，都可以的。
跟着客户要求。So any requirement you have, you can tell us, and then you can fix the size of these glasses on the machine. Okay, thank you. So these machines are how they are operating. First, you are putting this, and then it comes out this automatically. Today we are shipping the machines to South Asia, and these are the parts that are going to be shipped to our customers. So this is the box that is having these parts, the spare parts, in case if they have some problems or we can replace it. And these are the products that we are doing the samples before shipping to be sure that these are the qualified products. So we have this frame, and this frame is mainly used to produce these products, right? So this is one of the main parts, and this wrap is the foam to protect it from scratches. And we also have this main part of the machine to produce the glasses. So it's also wrapped in this foam to protect it from the scratches. And here you can have a look, we have these pallets. Why is that? To pick up this heavy machine to move it to the container. We're going to go there later, so here you go. Alright guys, now we're going to pack these machines to the container. Let's go! Alright guys, we finished the packaging and now we are going to lock it down and only customers can open there. So, there we go. Thank you. Okay guys, we have visited the second factory of Mr. Chen, and we are already finishing our filming. So welcome to order, and please be safe that once you order here, you are safe with your orders. Thank you very much for watching, and see you downstairs. Alright guys, we have seen how all the process is going on with the packaging and shipping to our customers. And please stay tuned and follow us and subscribe to our channel so you can see more videos how the production, packaging and shipping goes to our customers. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.